Welcome, students. I'm going to show you how you can add a picture or an image that you may have taken a picture of something and you want to turn it into Google Classroom. What you're going to do is log into your Google Classroom. You can be on a computer or even on a phone or an iPad or something. You're going to go to the classwork page here and you're going to find the assignment. So in this case, the assignment is under writing to add a picture of your work. So if I click on this assignment, there's instructions here on what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click View Assignment. And then it shows you right here where you could add or create files for your classwork. So this is actually where we are going to be working. And then of course, after we are done, you mark it as done. But I'm going to show you over here. So first, after you take a picture, you're going to need to get your picture to your computer or onto your device. So if you use an iPad, the picture will already be on the device. If you use a phone or an iPad to take a picture and you want to send it to a computer, you will need to either email it or put it into your Google Drive, but basically get the picture onto the device that you are using. So after I've done that, I now can come and I can click on the Add button. And so I'm going to add a file. So you can see step 1 is to go to Add. Step 2 is to go to File, choose a file. And then you're going to locate the image from your computer. So I have it on my computer, so I'm going to go to Upload here. But if you happen to have uploaded it into your Google Drive, you can go to your Google Drive to get it. So I'm going to select from my device. And then I had previously downloaded a picture. So here's a picture of a happy student. Here's a picture of a writing sample. So I'm going to click Open. And I now have my writing sample here. And let's just say I wanted to add another file. I can click Add More. So here's my happy student. And I can click Open. And maybe I even want to add one more. So there's a lot of options here. So I have a first grade writing sample here. So we're going to add that. And when I'm done, I'm going to just click Upload. Notice that if you make a mistake and you want to delete one, you can just delete it there. And when you're ready, you just click Upload. So as you can see, these assignments are loading. They're both images. And when my work is all through loading, I can turn it in. So as you can see, Google Classroom teaches you what to do next. So I am now ready and I can actually turn in my work. So that's what I will do, turn in. It's asking me, are you sure you want to turn these things in? I've said yes, turn it in. And that's it. And so if at any point I needed to add more photos, I could always unsubmit my work at any time and I could continue to add more things. So unsubmit, there you go. I could add more images or add other work that maybe I forgot to turn in. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn that assignment in one more time. And I'm all through. And if I wanted to go view my work, if I went back to my classroom and back to classwork, I can see that I have turned this in. It looks a little different if you want to add an image or file from a cell phone. So you will need to download an app from the App Store on your iPhone or your iPad or a tablet. So you may need to go to the App Store for your device and download Google Classroom. This is an example of how you could upload an image or a file from a device such as an iPad or a cell phone or a tablet. So you're going to log into Google Classroom with your student ID at stu.wvusd.org and Google password. Once you log in, you will see your classroom. Go ahead and enter your Google Classroom. Next, down here in the bottom, you have 3 tabs: Stream, Classwork, and People. We are going to go to the Classwork tab here. From the Classwork tab, you're going to locate the assignment. So here I have writing. I'm going to locate this assignment. That was add a picture of your work. So here it is. Next, I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says your work, and I'm going to click on the little up arrow here, and you can see where I can add an attachment. So I'm going to add an attachment, and I can choose any file from my Google Drive. I can add a link, I could add a file, and I could pick a photo. I can even take a picture with my camera. So I'm going to just pick a photo that I previously saved, and I'm going to go to my recents, and from here I can access all of my files that I have saved. And so if I wanted to put in a picture of myself, say for example, I could just click there, and that photo has now been added. And let's see, there we go, that photo has been added. And if I want to add another attachment, I can pick another photo and I can add the picture of my writing sample that I took. So when I'm done, I can just turn it in, just like I could from a Chromebook PC or a Mac. I can just turn in my work, turn in, and I'm all set. I can unsubmit if I need to add more work, but in general, I am done. And you can see there on the bottom that it says your work turned in. That's what you would do to add an image or a file from a device or tablet. So that's it. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.